Hey there, fellow adventurers. Sherman here, and I've got something special today. A 360-degree tour of Hellshire Beach. You can click and drag your mouse on the video itself to explore different angles. You can even zoom in and out for a better view. If you're on mobile, just move your device around or swipe on the screen to change the view. It's like you're right there in the video. To adjust the quality of my video, click on the gear icon at the bottom right of the video player, then select Quality. Here, you can choose the resolution that suits your internet speed and device capabilities. With these simple tips, you can fully immerse yourself in this 360-degree video. Welcome to Hellshire Beach.
Subscribe!
Soon come, man. Soon come.
Time to spread your wings, viewers. Look up to the treetops. Hellshire Beach is home to some exotic bird life. Can you spot any feathered friends enjoying the beach breeze? It's a different perspective of paradise up there. Feeling the rhythmic beats? That's the local maestros crafting the ultimate beach vibe. Now, let's turn up the excitement. Look around. Can you pinpoint the source of these infectious musical vibes? Hellshire Beach transforms into a pulsating party, courtesy of these awesome DJs. Hold your breath. We're about to dive beneath the surface. Swipe down or look below to discover the vibrant marine life beneath the waves. Hellshire Beach isn't just stunning above, it's a whole aquatic world waiting to be explored.
Boy, you build some new stuff, I go flap belly. Can't tell you, man.
Time for a virtual poll. Swipe around and let me know in the comments what catches your eye first. The endless horizon, the bustling beachgoers, or the vibrant beachfront stalls. Your choice could lead us on a new adventure.
Festival, but we don't need any fish, so we don't eat the festival lifestyle.
Alright, so what's this festival made out of?
Cornmeal, flour, water.
Alright. You enjoying it?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, you like the festival?
Nice.
You good? Yeah?
Look up, dreamers. The sky above Hellshire Beach is like a constantly changing canvas. Can you spot any interesting cloud formations, or perhaps a glimpse of the sun playing hide and seek? Nature's artwork is always on display. All right, fellow adventurers, we've explored every nook and cranny of the breathtaking Hellshire Beach together in 360 degrees. I hope you've enjoyed this immersive journey as much as I have. Before you go, let me know in the comments below which part of Hellshire Beach captured your wanderlust heart. And hey, if you're vibing with these 360-degree views, don't forget to hit that like button, share this virtual escapade with your friends, and, of course, subscribe for more adventures from around the globe. Your support fuels these virtual odysseys. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and stay curious.
Somebody want them can't get certain woman. When them walk right there, I try they can't get any woman. Yeah. What's up right now? When them walk right, I try they can't get any woman. When it's back to liar, pizza or nurse. Hey, yeah, you hear me? Yeah, yeah,